What's good, everyone? It's your girl TJ. I'm back with another video. So today's hair is from BestHairBuy hair. I'm showing you guys off the bat what you're getting in your packaging. You're getting the little pamphlet. Here in this pamphlet is very vital it's vital information. You got the contact, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, contact information, and you do have the hair care tips, which helps you take care and maintain your wig. You're gonna get your wig cap, of course, and you're gonna get the wig, which is a 13x6 undetectable transparent lace wig, and its hair texture is gonna be Brazilian virgin hair. Okay, so here is once again, and we about to dive right on into this video. So as you guys can see, the hair does come protected in a hair net. It comes protected in a hair net, and this is what the hair looks like straight out the packaging. I did no washing, no cold washing, none of that. This is just what it is. The hair pattern is so freaking beautiful. The hair was definitely nice and soft. It was very full from root to tip, and it was just so freaking pretty. The best part of the lace, my best feature, is the lace. The lace stuff. So you guys are probably saying why. As you guys can see, the lace, number one, is transparent. It melts right into your skin. So no matter what color you are, what skin type, whatever, it's going to melt right in. Number two is the Swiss lace. You already know Swiss lace is top-notch quality, period. Everyone knows that who, is a virgin hair wearer. Three, what makes this different from the rest of the wigs is that the knots on the lace unit is so tiny. It's smaller than the average size of the knots on any lace unit. So you don't have to bleach the knots. You don't have to do anything because it mimics a natural hairline. So you can barely tell that the knots are there. So that's a plus. And as you guys can see here, look, this is just with me putting it on. This is just right out the bag, and as you guys can see, it's melted already. It looks so freaking natural and flawless. Oh, child, I was just like blown away. So yeah, the lace comes already pre-plucked. A good thing, you already know how it is, how I do with the pre-plucked units. I'm just down for it because I don't have time to be plucking all over the place. And as you guys saw prior, it does come with the baby hairs. So you do have a guideline for baby hairs if you want them. But I'm just putting them out of the way because, like I said, we're laying and melting our lace today. So I just used some foaming wrap lotion to push those baby hairs up. And yeah, so this is a hairline just with the lace still on. I'm about to take me a pair of scissors just to create a line so I can go ahead and cut it. And then we're going to grab our handy dandy eyebrow razor. Now, if you guys haven't watched my previous video, I did give tips on how to use this eyebrow razor. With this, it's very, very, very helpful, and it actually plays a big role in having your lace look very nice and melted into your skin because it gives it jagged edges. Now, jagged edges creates a natural hairline. You guys know our hairline is not straight, it's not blocky, it's not square, it's not any type of shape. It's just what it is. So when you use that hairbrush razor, I say hairbrush razor, Lord help me talk. When I use the eyebrow razor, it doesn't create harsh lines, which will have your hairline looking all jacked up. So I'm just super excited, y'all. It's just looking so flawless. Also, with this lace, it's soft, so it's very, very soft. It's not hard. I know some laces be hard, but this one is very soft and is, just so freaking nice. Okay, so I'm removing the makeup from around my perimeter, and don't mind my beaded up edges. Okay, so today we're slaying with the pump it up spritz, pump it up. I did a video a while back on it claiming that it didn't work, but that was a lie. It was actually a lie. I just had to play with it and use different heating settings to find out a way that it could hold, because people say, nah, I use spritz to hold mine down all the time. So I was like, I gotta get it with the program. So basically what I did find out from practicing with it is that you have to use a cool heating setting. That's it, and that's all. That is the key to using spritz. This is a product that will flake up on you. So if you don't use a cool heating setting, sis, let me tell you, your hairline is going to be looking ashy and it's going to be looking crusty. And everybody's going to be like, what's going on? Is something wrong with her hair? What's going on? So I do want to be mindful that cool heating setting wins all day, every day, because it just it allows it to melt at a slower pace and not pushing all that pressure on it, which dries it up very fast and quick. You don't need to do all that. So with spritz, I did know that you have to take smaller sections as well. You don't need to use a big section because one side is going to dry faster than the other. So take very, very tiny sections, lay it down, press it down with your fingers, and add more heat, a cool heating setting. So that's basically it. And like I said, with this wig, the hairline is already pre-plucked, and then the lace are so tiny you don't even need to bleach it. So it comes hand in hand with applying your wig, and it makes your wig application very easy. You guys already know how much I stress finding companies that already have everything you need to go, so we can decrease the time necessary or needed to put on your wig, because I just hate when it has to take me hours upon hours to bleach the knots, to pluck it, to add baby hairs. It's very time consuming. So we got that all set. We're gonna go ahead and let her sit for about 10 to 15 minutes, 30 to max, however long you want. And as you guys can see, it's nice and melted. You can leave it like this and be on your wig, create a part, flip it over, and it's just doing its right. But let me part it for y'all. That's the test. Now look at that. Scalp Vibe Nation. Look at that, y'all. I was so amazed with that. Once I parted it, I don't care what you say. You can't tell me. Your mama couldn't tell me. Your dad couldn't tell me. Your cousin couldn't tell me that this was not my real scalp. Because sis, look at it. Look at it. Okay. So, y'all, this wig has just definitely made it to the top of my list as far as wigs, because it was so easy and it was so painless. I didn't have to do nothing. Okay, the wig is just like, you can literally just put on the wig, go. So yeah, as you guys can see here, I'm creating my baby hairs. Like I said, this part is optional. You do not have to do that at all. You could have went about your way and was just on the way. But y'all guys know how I like my baby hairs. I feel like it just adds a natural touch of naturalness. So yeah, hopefully I went over everything in regards to the wig. I also have a coupon code for you guys as well. It's TEI10. It will save you moisture coins off your purchase. So if you are interested in getting this wig for yourself, please check the description section below. All links and information, everything you need to know will be there. So let's get on it. So once again, like I said, this is a body wave wig, and I wanted to keep the body wave pattern, so I just added foam lotion, hair wrap lotion. I keep saying foam, I guess because it is, but I'm using hair wrapping lotion to keep the curls, and I just defined the pattern with my hands because I just love the texture. So that's a secret as well. If you want to keep the body wave pattern to your hair, just add hair wrap lotion and you'll be set. So this is the final results. I really I'm sorry, I'm tongue twisted. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope I gave you some tips that helped you out. Let me know in the comment section below what you guys thought on this look. And like I said before, all information to this hair will be listed down below. And until next time, I will see you guys later. Bye guys.